behind. Where Kuja? Assistant Chief Kuja hapa. You are too short.
Of the background that you come from, irrespective of the kind of challenges and hurdles that you experience in life, you are still able to take a career that will take you places at the end of the day. Now, we cannot talk
ourselves. Our? Who is our? Who are you? I want to ask you as a student. I want to ask you as a Christian. I want to ask you as a woman. As a girl. But I want to ask you something as a female. Are you females? Are you female? Yes. Rosalia, are you females? Yes. Scholars, are you females?
Yes.
What makes
Good morning. Good morning. Okay, I'm called Madam Kuru. As you can call, I'm a teacher in English and literature at Kibere Secondary School. And I'm passionate about my career. So I hear that some students here who are from Kibere. Are they here? Oh, very good. Please don't waste the foundation resources. So I was called by Mr. Oyuga some days back so that I can come here and help him talk to the girls. So when I look at you, I relate. I relate so well. So at some point, I was also just like you. But what is the difference? How do you use your time? Just time and chance. And it happens to all of us. So that is, if there are two things that happen to every human being alive, is time and chance. So how you choose to use your time, how you choose to use the chances that you've been given in life is what brings the difference at the end of it all. So Kipchoge says that no human is